Hello everyone, Tashi Dilek. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tashi Pasang, or you can call me Jordan. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about 16 Arhats. The 16 Arhats, Netinchuruk in Tibetan, are a group of legendary Arhats in Buddhism. The grouping of 16 Arhats were brought to China and later to Tibet from India. So we will talk about four things, which are: what's the meaning of Arhat? Who are the 16 Arhats? How do we still celebrate the 16 Arhats? And reasons behind hanging their thankas all the time. So, number one, what is the meaning of Arhat? Arhat in Tibetan means Dachumba, which means one who has slain the foe of conflicting emotion and overcome the enemy, the four maras, and reached the highest result of the vehicles of pious attendants. In short, Arhat means foe destroyer or enemy slayer. Number two, who are the 16 Arhats? So the 16 Arhats in Sanskrit and Tibetans are Angaja Yalajung, Ajita Maphampa, Vanavasin Nagnane, Mahakalika Tudin, Vajriputra Turjamoy Bhu, Shri Vadra Sangbo, Kanaka Vatsa Serbeu, Kanaka Bharadwaja Seljan, Bakula Rahula Tajinzin, Shuddha Panthaka Lamten, Pindola Bharadwaja Songyamlen, Panthaka Lamten, Nagasena Luide, Gopaka Beje, Abhedya Michepas. So these are the 16 Arhats. Number three, how do we still celebrate the 16 Arhats? In Lava Monastery, we do puja of 16 Arhats once a month on every full moon day, Purnima. Once a year, we have this huge celebration or procession of 16 Arhats in Bodh Gaya.
Shimmy
At the time of the seventh Karmapa, Chota Gyatso, there used to be a procession called the Chakor, which went around the great encampment. Monks dressed as the 16 Arhats, accompanied by their retinue, formed part of that procession. The ninth Karmapa, Onshuk Dorje, added the Buddha and two of his disciples to the procession. In 2014, the 17th Gyalwang Karmapa, Ugyentinle Dorje, revived this tradition and combined it with the annual alms procession. In 2014, His Holiness explained the purpose of the alms procession. We are inviting the Arhats to join mainly in order to help the Dharma flourish. The Dharma teachings are the sole medicine, the sole salve for all sentient beings. It is the only medicine to eliminate the sufferings of sentient beings. Number 4, reasons behind hanging their thankas all the time. So right now I'm in our shrine hall and we have these thankas of 16 arhats which we hang all the time. So there is the reason behind it. So the 16 arhats were chosen by Shakyamuni Buddha himself from amongst his disciples. He asked them to remain in the world protecting the Dharma for as long as beings were capable of benefiting from the teaching. And so, at the time of the Buddha's parinirvana, the Arhats vowed to remain in the world and maintain the Dharma until the teachings came to an end, which will happen when the next world Buddha appears. So, at the end of the video, I would like to ask you all about who is this person. He's not from the 16 Arhat, but he's always beside 16 Arhats, but I don't know why is he there. Some say he is a sponsor and some say he's someone else. So we would really like to know the real history or the real reason behind it. So if you guys know, then please comment below.
Done.